Hello traders and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily crude CL contract review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date, Thursday, October 24th, 2013. Hey, I'd like to remind you, please check out hitthemarktrading.com. Check out the website, see everything that we do there, and sign up on the contacts page for weekly blog updates. When you do this, you'll get a confirming email, and then you can sign up for Rooster Call if you're interested. And that's my morning email look at overnight and pre-market action. Okay. Now, I am on Facebook, and I also on Twitter. Hello there, Twitter. So by Twitter, you just go to Martin Rimes. Okay. Now, what is Rooster Call? This is where I read the wires, see what happened overnight fundamental, take a look at the charts, and then make a very brief synopsis and send it out to my clients. I'd like to send it to you, so please sign up. Now, remember that everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Please do not construe anything that I mention as an offer to buy any crude futures or sell crude futures or options on crude futures, okay? Hopefully this video can serve to help your own due diligence. Now let's go to the charts. Well, what a nice day, huh? Just a great day for trading. Get this out of the way up here. You're looking at a 10 range bar chart of crude, okay? A 10 range bar chart. And let me see if I can just, make that a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. And basically, nice moving average, touch and drop. And we have our indicator down there, the commodity channel index, also giving us confirming signals. And of course, I like to draw a line. And when it breaks, it means something more often than not. Okay, so we just had this nice going down and then pop back up. Very good day for trading. Very good. All right, so let's just take a peek at the daily chart. And I just want to remind you, well, let me get rid of the clock. Just want to remind you that, gosh, we've been talking about, this is US dollar index. We've been talking about hitting 96 till I'm blue in the face, right? Bingo, right? Now, what's very interesting is that here we are, such a strong move down, broke through this bottom channel line here. So that's why we're seeing the hesitation. That's exactly why. Let me blow this up. Okay. Today was basically what I call a no never mind day. I'm sure the candlestick people call this a doji or something. I just say, hey, why did I show up? No, never mind, right? But yet within this, we still have a great range for day trading. And that's what you want as a day trader. You don't want to be with something not moving. So what's the range here? $1,700. Do you think you might be able to get a piece of that? Well, if you're a day trader and you know what you're doing, the answer is, I think you should be able to. Okay? Great. So this has just been a really good market for people. All right. Now, we knew once we get to moving, we're going to drop just as dramatic as this popped up, because that's what price does. Okay. Now we're going to keep our eyeball glued to this little red line here. But trend and momentum are extremely strong to the downside. All right, extremely strong. And then the fundamentals, you bring in the fundamentals, and my goodness, there's no really good news on the fundamental side for crude. Okay. All right, so now let's go to the weekly. Again, doesn't this just look over here almost like a mirror image of this? It was pretty easy to say that, really, because you get a day like a week like this, and what goes up must come down. It always does. Okay. All right. So we could actually see a lower price. What we are guaranteed for, we're guaranteed for more good intraday movements. Now, looking at the monthly chart, nothing special going on here. Hey, I come to the top, I drop. I come to the top, I drop. I come to the top, I drop. All right, I've been doing this for, since 2009. So why are you surprised? Right? That's what price is telling you. Why are you really surprised? 9060 is this first gold line. Okay? All right, now, the funny thing is, once we get down here, my goodness, people will come out writing all kind of reports and advisories how that crude cannot trade at these levels. It's below the cost of production, blah, blah, blah. Don't listen to any of that, please. And above all, don't overcomplicate. Now, let's look at the intraday chart one more time. Okay, great. We've got the pivots for tomorrow. This is wonderful. Because we had such a nice range, we already know where price is going to test tomorrow. So it's so simple. If we move up, we're going to go up to this level right here. Okay. And if we move down, guess what? We're going to go down to here, because that's what price does intraday. So we are guaranteed, I believe. I mean, anything can happen, but I think we're going to have another wonderful day of trading. Because just from here to here, that's a great move. All right? Okay. I will talk to you not on Friday, but over the weekend. Again, check out hitthemarktrading.com, and I'll talk to you later.